Mohnish Pabrai is one of the world's most successful value investors, following a philosophy heavily inspired by Warren Buffett. Value investing involves buying stocks that trade significantly below their intrinsic value, the true worth of a business based on its assets, earnings power, and future prospects, and holding them until the market recognizes that value. Pabrai focuses on long-term investing, concentrated portfolios, low turnover, and always demands a substantial margin of safety before investing. He evaluates opportunities by asking whether a stock trades at more than a 50% discount to intrinsic value, whether he would be comfortable making it a large position, whether the downside risk is minimal, whether the company has a durable competitive advantage, and whether management is capable and trustworthy. Born in Mumbai, India, Pabrai founded Pabrai Investment Funds in 1999 and built his reputation through a philosophy he calls shameless cloning, the idea that investors should study and replicate the methods of great investors rather than reinvent the wheel. This approach is closely tied to his famous Dandho framework, a Gujarati concept meaning business, which emphasizes asymmetric bets where the upside is large and the downside is limited, summarized by the phrase, "Heads I win, tails I don't lose much." Pabrai researches companies by studying annual reports, shareholder letters, earnings call transcripts, and the portfolios of respected investors, while generally avoiding direct meetings with management because he believes a company's track record reveals more than executive presentations. His investment process is entirely bottom-up, focusing on individual businesses rather than macroeconomic forecasts, and he has increasingly looked for opportunities in markets such as India, where he believes market inefficiencies create attractive bargains. Through patience, discipline, concentration, and an unwavering focus on risk-reward, Pabrai has become one of the leading modern practitioners of value investing. What truly separates Mohnish Pabrai from many investors is his obsession with avoiding permanent capital loss rather than maximizing short-term gains. He believes investing is not about finding hundreds of opportunities, but waiting patiently for a handful of exceptional situations where the odds are overwhelmingly favorable. Drawing inspiration from Buffett and Charlie Munger, Pabrai often compares investing to a game with no called strikes. You can watch thousands of pitches go by and only swing when the opportunity is extraordinary. This patience allows him to hold large cash positions for extended periods and concentrate heavily when conviction is high. He also emphasizes the power of compounding, arguing that a few outstanding investments held for many years can generate far greater wealth than constant trading. Rather than relying on complex financial models, he focuses on understanding simple businesses, identifying temporary market pessimism, and purchasing companies at prices that already reflect worst-case scenarios. By combining deep fundamental research, a strong margin of safety, concentrated bets, and a relentless focus on asymmetric outcomes, Pabrai seeks investments where even if he is partially wrong, the downside remains limited. But if he is right, the upside can be many times his original investment. This disciplined approach embodies the essence of the Dandho philosophy. Take low-risk, high-uncertainty bets with substantial upside and allow time, patience, and market recognition to do the heavy lifting.